They said write as a fraction. First thing, let me write as a fraction. 0.2 over 100. Do you see a decimal point? I need to remove a decimal point. To remove this decimal point, first you need to check out how many numbers you see here. You see a one number. You see one number here. That means you need to multiply with 10. Now the question is, teacher, why do I multiply with 10? Why not 100? Because I need to only shift one place. If there were two numbers, you will multiply with 100 and shift two places. So you get 2 over 1,000.
Yes, please.
276. Same page what we were doing, girls. Again, 0.2% can be written as 0.2 over 100. You will multiply with 10 to remove the decimal point. And then, yalla, who's going to do this? Lamar? 2
Yes,
over 1,000. How many zeros are there? But they ask one minute. They ask you to write what? Fraction. So let us 2 times 1 and 2 times 5. Your answer is 1,500. Your answer is 1,500.
Something I can teach.
What?
I didn't understand about.
Let us do again. The question is, write percent as a fraction. What is the first step to write? 0.2 over 100. Till here, did you get it?
Yeah.
How to remove this decimal point from the numerator? By multiplying with either 10, 100 or 1,000 on both the numerator and denominator. Why did I choose why did I choose to multiply with 10? Because there is only one number after the decimal point. If there are two decimal numbers, you will multiply and divide with 100. If there are three numbers after the decimal point, you will multiply with 1,000. Now the point shifted and it became 2. In the denominator, it became 1,000, because in denominator, you don't need to shift anything, you just need to add one more thing. Then when you simplify this, 2 times 1, 2 times 5, and 0, 0. So my answer is 1 over 500. Finish, girls? Finish? Haifa?
Yes.
Did you finish writing, Haifa? Percentage, 58%. How can I write? 58%. What should I write? 58 over? Come on, Haifa, try. Instead of percent, what should I write here?
Miss, so for question number 3, the answer is 1 over 5,000.
Yes. Haifa, if you see a percentage here, write the same number with over 100. Okay, Haifa? Haifa, I'm talking to you, sweetie. Any number what you see, over 100. Why over 100? Because percentage means over 100. Now, they asked me to write in a decimal point. This is a very simple question. Now, how many zeros you see, Haifa, in the denominator? Two. See, in the denominator, how many zeros are there? There are 2 zeros in 100. So 1 and 2. 0.58 is your answer. Any questions? 9 over 100. How can you write 9 over 100? Tala?
Yes, miss.
How can you write 9 over 100 for decimal? There are two numbers. One.
You're gonna put you're gonna count 2 times because there's 2 zeros, and then you're gonna put the decimal point.
So 0.09, is it correct?
Yes, because yes, it is.
Okay, very good. Next question. Did you write question 4 and 5, girls?
No.
I'm
Wait.
writing 5.
Miss, so we do 58 over 100 times 100 times 10?
58 times 58 over 100, right? They just want you to write decimal. That means you see 2 zeros here, you move 1 place and 2 place. You'll multiply when they want as a fraction, my dear.
I didn't really get how did they do it as a fraction.
Okay, we will do it on your own and then you will get it. Go to next page, yalla. Go to next page. I will do on your own with you so that you understand. Write the percent as a fraction or a mixed number. Let us do this. Come on. Tala, first one, tell me.
Yes.
They want me to write fraction. So what do I write?
17 over 100.
Very good. And you don't have any, it cannot be divided with any number, 17 over 100. It's a prime number. Live it.
Yeah.
20%, how can I write this? Jana, how can I write 20%? As a fraction? Come on. Jana.
Miss, did you call me? Okay.
Jana, how do you write this? 20 over?
100.
Okay, then 0 and 0 is cancelled. You have 2 over 10. 2 over 10, when you divide by 2, you get 1 over 5. Even you can do this way, girls, how I teach you. 2 times 1 and 2 times 5. This is simple. Okay? Understood or no? 2 over 10. 2 times 1 and 2 times 5. My answer is 1 over 5 because they ask you to write as a fraction or a mixed number. Clear? Now I told you when you see something more than 100, so you write 100 plus 100 plus 25. Do you know this? 100 plus 25 is 125. Girls, if more than 100, I wrote 100 plus 25. Till here, did everyone get it?
Yes.
Then because it is percentage, for both of them, I put 101 because it is percentage. Now this is nothing but 1 and 25 over 100 is nothing but 1 over 4, I think. 25 times 4.
Miss, 25 is times 5.
25, okay, come on. If you want to do with, divide by 5, let us do. It's 5 over 20. Again, you can divide by 5. So you get 1 over 4. Okay?
Okay.
Maria, how can you split 355?
Yes, okay.
Can you make
Put 100.
100 plus
You
55?
put
That is 300 is nothing but 300 whole. 355 over 100. 3 whole plus 55 over 100. How will you solve 55 over 100? With 5. 11, 5 times 11 and 5 times 20. So 311 over 20. Again, girls.
Miss, I didn't understand question number 8.
Okay, 8. See, yeah,
100
Dana. 125. What did I say? When you see something more than 100, break it. It's percentage, divide by 100 to both. 100 over 100 is 1. 25 over 100, if you divide by 5, you get 5 times 5 and 5 times 2. 5 times 1 and 5 times 4. You get 1 over 4. Directly, if you do division, you'll get 1 over 4.
Miss, so how is 100 divided by 5 is 20? 20 divided by 5 is not 100.
See, 25 divided by 100. 25, you have what? You have 25 divided by 100. If you do divided by 5, what do you get? Tell me. What do you get?
You get 5
5 over
over,
20.
oh, okay.
So it is 5 times 1 and 5 times 4. Now, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Girls, put a cross mark to question number 9. Because you are getting too confused. And this is 0.1 over 100. Now, what did I tell you? If you see a decimal point in the numerator, never accept it. Multiply with something to remove it. With 10 and with
Just
10.
wait, I have a question.
Yes, tell me.
For example, for number 9, if we split it, we put 300 and plus 55, or do we put like a 100, 100, 100?
You can do that 100, 100, 100. You will get 3 holes. Like, see, if you do that way,
Yeah.
you will get 100 over 100 plus 100 over 100 plus 100 over 100 plus 55 over 100. So if you cancel all
I
of
think
them,
if I
1 and 1, so you get 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, and then you get 55 over 100. 11, 5,
I think if I
11.
write 300,
Yes.
it would be easier,
Yes,
less
you can do
confusing.
that. But see, again in the denominator, you cannot divide with 300. What do you have to divide with?
With 10,
So
100,
you
or
just put a
1000.
cross mark to this question and go to question number 10.
Okay.
0.1 over 100 times 10 times 10. Why did I do times 10? To remove this. To move it one place. To remove this. So it's 1 over 1000. Multiply with 10. I make this. This multiply. I get 1 over 1000. I got the answer as a fraction. That is 1 over 1000. Now 2.5%. Again 2.5 over 100. Sorry. 100. If I want to remove this decimal point, I'll multiply with 10. Why with 10? So that 25 over 1000 means 1. No, just that is enough, girls. I don't need to put decimal point. They want as a fraction. Let us do 25 times 1 and 25 times 4. My answer is 1 over 40. My answer is 1 over 40.
Miss, I don't understand. So you simplify 25 over 1,000 and then you get
Yes.
1?
See, 25 times 1 and 25 times 4 is 100. Just now you did this here, right? 25
This
over 100 is-
lesson is so hard.
What, dear?
I didn't understand it.
What, Tala?
I didn't really understand the lesson.
Question, Tala?
Miss,
I didn't really get when you do the decimal thing.
See, you need to change it into either fraction or percent or mixed number or decimal. But here they asked me to change to fraction, that I just take and I put 100 in the denominator and then I try to simplify. The more you are good at simplification, the more better you get answers.
Okay,
Miss, but why didn't
if-
you write 20? Why did you write 4?
Where?
Here.
I wrote 4. 25 times 1, 25 times 4 is 100. If you do it with 5, okay, yeah, if you do in the other way, you have many ways to do it, Dana. If you do with 25 over 1000, if you start with 5, 5 times 5, 5 times 2 is 10 and 0. Then 5 times 1, 5 times 4 and 0. So your answer is 1 over 40. Did you get it? This is double simplification. Understood, Dana?
Yeah.
Tala, you got it now? Finish this.
But
I
why did
will.
we put 10? Why did we put 10?
Where? Here?
In question number 10, why did we put 10?
Because to remove this decimal in the numerator, 0.1, I don't want the decimal in the numerator. And how will I use the one place to multiply with 10? Because there is one number after the decimal point. If there are 2 numbers, I'll put 100.
Oh, okay. Got it.
Complete writing this and then I'm going to do the next one.
Miss, from where did you get this one?
100 over 100 is 1 whole. May I, girls, go to next question?
Miss, why didn't we do question number 17?
What?
Didn't do question number 17.
We are coming down. We did not, we just did till 11. Dana. We
Miss,
need
I mean question number 6.
6, 17 over 100, you cannot divide with any number. They don't simplify. Because 17 is a prime number. You must know that 17, it only comes in a timetable of 17, that is 17 times 1. That's it. Yellow girls. Question number 12. Tala? 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 Maria?
Yes.
How do I write 89% as a decimal? First
Yes,
thing,
miss.
9 over?
100.
Very good. And then you have how many zeros?
2.
So I shift 2 places. So what is my answer?
0.89.
Excellent. Thala?
Yes, miss.
30%. How can you write it?
30 over 100.
Excellent. And then, because my answer was the decimal, not in fraction. In fraction means I'll further simplify.
And
Decimal.
then you're gonna take the 0 from the 10 and
Okay, you can even do that. You can even do that. No problem. But if you want directly, you can just move 2 places and you get
okay.
0.30. Even that is a correct way that was.
So you go, miss, when you do the decimal, do we do it from the end?
Yes.
Or-
If there is a decimal in the between, you will start from the decimal. If nothing, from the end. Juri Siraj.
So if there is no decimal, you start from the end. If there is a
Yes.
decimal, you start from where the decimal point is.
Juri Siraj. Juri Siraj.
Yes. Yes.
2%. How can I write 2% as?
2 over 100.
Very good. And then the decimal place, where will it move? 1 and 2. Now, how do you write it?
0.2.
How about this? The point is here. So it's 0.02. See, Judy, You have 2 zeros here.
Okay, okay.
1 and 2. That means the decimal point goes and here it becomes 0.02. All right?
Yes.
Lamar, you have 122%. That is 100 over 100 plus 22 over 100. So this is 1 plus, how do you do this? 1, 2. It means 0.22. 0.22. Any questions?
Number 16 so I can know if I understand that question.
Dana,
The
okay.
question
3 point, yes, Dana, tell me 3.5 over.
100.
Okay, now shift the decimal point.
Thir-
From the end or from here?
from the decimal point.
Very good. 1 and
0.0.
okay.
35.
Excellent. You got it. Haifa? Haifa? Haifa?
Yes.
6.33. What should you write as? The percentage means in the denominator, what will you write? 6.33 over what? Yalla, Haifa, 6.33 over? Come on. Percentage means over what? Haifa, I told you from the beginning. Percentage means in the denominator it will become 100, okay? Okay, Haifa? Hala?
Yes, miss.
How will the decimal shift?
Uh,
From the last or from the
0, yeah, from the 0.0.
okay, and then 633. All right?
Yes.
That's it, girls.
Okay. Thank you. The lesson now is easy.
If you want, girls, I will try to do homework with you tomorrow.
Okay, sure.
Or can we do it today? Do you want something?
Yeah, it's all right. There's still a lot of time. We can do it.
Must complete writing all of this.
Miss, I did the from 2 till 4.
Very good. Alas, homework, try, girls. Try. If you don't get it, then I will do tomorrow. Because if I give you the answers, you all will copy easily.
Miss, wait, just a second. We have a test this week, right?
Yes. Tomorrow I'm gonna revise a little bit.
In page number 210, the vocabulary builder, we didn't do it.
Let me check.
We didn't do that page.
Let me check now. I think I did with you all everything. No? Yalla, let us check now. Okay, girls. Yalla, take this vocabulary builder. I think I did with you this one. No, girls? I did not do this. Turn to page 210.
Yes, we did it, but we did, but I don't think so. I wrote it.
Others, girls, did we do this? Check.
Yeah.
Page 210. Check, girls. Did we do this? Everyone, open your books. This is very important for your quiz. I will give at least 4 questions out of 6 questions. Tell me, Tala, Dana, tell me, did you do it in the book or no?
I didn't.
We didn't do it.
Did not?
Miss, we didn't do it.
Okay, yalla, then open up and 210 right now, write it. It's very simple. When you compare one number to another number, it's called ratio. When they're same, it's called as
Miss, I
equivalent.
already did it by myself.
I remember I made you highlight. Yes, I explained you this one. I'm sure I explained you equivalent ratio, the equivalent fractions. And when you compare to one unit, it is called as a unit rate. I remember all this, but we did not do this page, I guess. But I explained you everything. I did not make you write this page, but I explained you everything. Yalla, write it down, girls, everyone, 210. Is it the same page coming for your quiz?
Yes, it is. I checked the weekly plan.
Yalla, girls.
Miss, can you go up a little bit?
The blanks are important. This is not as denominator or numerator.
Miss, I did the one that is down.
Miss, do we write like the first one? Just the vocabulary?
Vocabulary is just to learn. You can write it down, but to learn 6 questions are enough.
But like is the top, is it like important for the test or we don't need to write it?
It's the 6, these blanks are important for the test. Okay?
Like the ones that we studied. They're
Yes.
important.
Yes.
Miss, I finished.
Thank you, girls. Have a great day. Anything else, girls?
No, thank
Miss,
you.
can you
Bye.
scroll up?
Miss, if you're not finished, can we leave?
Miss,
Yes.
I mean, go up. Like,
Denominator,
The-
numerator, simplify and equivalent ratios.
finished. Miss, can we leave?
Yes. Thank you, girls. Have a